जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter ज्ञानयोगम 34th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, Arjuna, in every action, knowledge, the wisdom is the main aspect. So in order to learn that wisdom, learn that knowledge, you have to approach one of the acharyas who has full understanding about Atma, and you have to listen to Acharya repeatedly about this Atma Jnanam. And now Arjuna, when you approach any Acharya, you have to first do Sashtanga Namaskaram, and you have to serve your Acharya. You have to be very humble to your Acharya, and you have to present your inquiries in a very, very appropriate way. And you have to make sure Acharya believes in you, and Acharya believes that you came to learn Atma Jnanam. Then you have to wait until he himself teaches about Atma Jnanam. You have to have that much of patience. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma emphasizing upon the essentiality of having an Acharya for everyone. And also Krishna Paramatma saying that Jnanam should be taught by Acharya only. You cannot have a self-elevation. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us the very importance of Acharya in our life. So having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, trying to approach Acharya, those who does not have Acharya. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasnena sevaya upadekshiyanti te jnanam jnaninaha tattvadarshinaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your activities as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging, and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on doing namaskaram to you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుక మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం ద్వితీయ స్కంధం, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Srimannarayanas, Sri Mahavishnu's avatarams to Narada Maharshi, saying that, O Narada, once upon a time I did Satrayagam, such a big yajnam. Satre mamasa bhagavan hayasira shadho. When I was doing that yajnam, Sakshat Paramatma came out as Hayagriva Swami. Sakshat Sayajna Purushaha Tapaniya Varnaha. With a beautiful golden color, Hayagriva Swami came out of that yajna. Suvarna Varnudunu Vedamayundu Akhilantaratmakundu Anupama Yajna Purushudu. He has beautiful color on his body, and he is the embodiment of Vedas, and he is a soul to all the devatas. O Narada, when he was exhaling from his nose, సమస్త పావనమగు నాసికా శ్వసన వర్గములందు ఉదయించే వేదముల్ వాచో బభూవు ఉసతీః శ్వసతః అస్య నస్తః. From his nose, when Paramatma was exhaling from Hayagriva Swami's nose, all the Vedas came out, and all the Vedas were started vibrating so auspiciously all over. Everybody started listening such a beautiful melodious Veda mantras from his nose. O Narada, that is how Hayagriva Swami again brought all the Vedas into existence, and he was worshipped by all the Vedic recommended rituals. O Narada, all the devatas also gets worshipped by Vedic recommended rituals. So Paramatma Hayagriva Swami is the soul to all those devatas. Like this, Chaturmukha Brahma describing Hayagriva Swami's avataram to Narada Maharshi. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. He Gopalaka, He Krupa Jalanidhe, He Sindhu Kanyapate, He Kamsantaka, He Gajendra Karuna Parina, हे माधव हे रामानुज हे जगत्त्रयगुरो हे पुण्डरीकाक्ष मां हे गोपीजननाथ पालय परं जानामि न त्वां विना। कृष्णो रक्षतु नो जगत्त्रयगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्याम्यहं। कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः। कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्णा संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 4th chapter 34th श्लोका। तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनः तत्त्वदर्शिनः। तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्ष्यन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनः तत्त्वदर्शिनः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।